Good morning. It is day 14 on our Hildegard von Bingen program. And as per usual, we will start with a short meditation before we move into listening to the wonderful words of Hildegard von Bingen. So whenever you're ready, just close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Turn your attention inward and upward. Allow the traces of the dreams to dissipate. All thoughts, discomfort, any feelings that do not serve you right now, just release them. Release them into the nothingness where they came from. Allow yourself to arrive in the here and now. With every breath, let go so you can become present. And on the in-breath, move your attention inward and upward. Allow your consciousness to look up, searching for connection into oneness with the source of it all, the divine presence, the heart of the universe, the loving God. And notice a spot of bright light high above you. And notice a beam of golden white light pouring down on you, embracing you, holding you, loving you, keeping you safe, regardless. The world can go crazy, but inside I can find peace as I connect with the source. I allow myself to be at peace in this very moment. And as we do that, we open ourselves to the wonderful words of Hildegard von Bingen. My day begins. I saw a man as he caught the scent of a beautiful white flower, refusing to taste it or even to take it in his hands. Instead, he turned away and fell into the undergrowth of darkness. We contemplate these words for a moment before we listen to Hildegard's interpretations. Who does not know, as Job says, that everything that is has been made by the hand of the Lord, that he holds in his hand the soul of every living thing, supply the very breath of all who live. Who is there so dull as not to be aware of how the earth nourishes the plants that provide fruit, of how the fruit in turn nourishes the animals, of how the sky holds light air, of how the air holds the birds. all of them testify that they have been placed there and are held there by the strong hand of a universal ruler who in his strength so provides for them that they lack nothing that they need. So why then is it so easy for us to forget that we are part of that same creation, dependent on that same strength, provided for by that same generosity? And we now know that the power and strength that sustains us is the holder of all, the divine presence. The more we turn our attention inward and upward, reaching into oneness, the more we understand and experience that we are something greater that we can ever imagine. We are part of that, like the sun. We are part of that energy, that loving, that holds the entire universe together, that fuels life. This holds the key to my peace, to my well-being, to my life. All the support I need is in this connection, the divine truth that God and me are one. And our mantra for today, that we are going to contemplate on all through the day. The earth is the Lord's and all that is in it. The earth is the Lord's and all that is in it. Thank you for meditating and contemplating with me this morning. Have a blessed day. Baruch Bashem.